Okay, so here is what you should have soon enough. You should put the blanket into the basket so the cat has a nice place to rest. And then you would put the scratching pad around on one of the chairs. The three chairs are pushed together so there is a triangular form on top. Then you would take some of these and then slide them and get them into a nice spot for the cat. If it is one with a long stick like this one, just stick it into the basket. See? The cat can bat at it. And now for this one. Because it looks like a snake, I would put it so it looks like it's crawling out here. And then the cat can come out under here and pull on it. Now, scatter fake mice. Anywhere, really. Maybe even put one in the bed. Now, take these. Put them like around here. Kind of just bright and colorful to attract your cat or kitten's attention. If you have a solitary cat, make things realistic, like bunches of brown feathers. If you have a little kitten, make sure to put lots of bright and interesting things. Some fluffy pink ribbon is good for a kitten. Maybe this is good for a solitary cat. It depends, really. Make sure to tie these on with firm knots. Your cat can rip them off and run away with them. You can also tie little bits of cloth to make a heavy toy that's harder for your cat to attack. It's very important for your cat to have lots of fun things. I suggest add a favorite toy. Cats love anything to play with. So this is perfect if your cat's lonely and you don't have time to play. Phase 1.